A terrible snowstorm hit Turkey's Bitlis region and its district for the past few days and continued throughout the night. In the video footage captured by residents, it can be seen that the entire area in Bitlis has been frozen, covered in thick snow. In that city, where the snow was 30 centimeters thick, icicles formed on the roads and stalactites on the roof of buildings. Residents tried to clean the ice in their own way so that the ice does not damage the roof of their house and several existing facilities. In Van and Bitlis, hundreds of settlements were also affected due to bad weather conditions. According to a statement issued by the Metropolitan Municipality of Van, the heavy snow and blizzard has occurred in the past few days caused transportation disruption. According to a statement issued by Metropolitan Municipality of Van, the heavy snow and blizzard that occurred in the past few days caused transportation disruption.
Evet. Görüyor musun? Çektiğini. Sen görmezsen makine görür.
Emergency services were called to deal with the aftermath of the storm, with reports of fallen trees and damaged power lines in some areas of the city. Local authorities have urged residents to stay indoors and avoid unnecessary travel, as the storm is expected to continue for several more hours, adding further strain to an already stretched healthcare system.